Scientists find cosmic rays shooting out of Antarctica that defy the laws of physics. Unexplainable cosmic rays shooting out of Antarctica completely defy the known laws of physics, a team of scientists at Pennsylvania State University claim. Where are they coming from? Why is this taking place? Just over 10 years ago, NASA researchers set out to observe cosmic rays showering down onto Earth from space, incoming that is. During the experiments in Antarctica, physicists found something bizarre. Just the opposite was taking place. The Antarctic Impulsive Transient Antenna, ANITA for short, the ANITA experiment began detecting high-energy neutrinos interacting with the ice sheet below. The Mind Unleashed reports neutrinos are unique in that they do not lose energy as they disseminate throughout the universe. Because of this, neutrinos are capable of providing humans with a peek into the vast expanse of the universe that would otherwise be unavailable. According to Motherboard, the Soviet physicist Gurgen Ashkarian once theorized that, quote, when a high-energy particle interacted with a dense dielectric medium, a type of insulating material that does not conduct electricity, it would produce a shower of secondary charged particles whose radiation can be detected by standard radio antennas. This interaction, now known as the Ashkarian effect, allows physicists to detect particles that hardly interact with normal matter, like neutrinos, by observing their secondary effects, end quote. During ANITA's time in the Antarctic, it detected never-before-seen upward-pointing cosmic ray-like events. The rays detected had horizontal planes of polarization, which may suggest they did not originate in space. The detection of these events means a new type of particle may have been evading detection by sophisticated particle accelerators since we began using sophisticated particle accelerators. Thanks to the Standard Model, physicists have now known that the cosmic rays are capable of reaching and penetrating Earth. However, according to the model, those rays should not be able to pass all the way through our planet. So are the anomalous high-energy particles measured by ANITA originating from Earth, or are they actually passing through Earth? Some existing physics models that exist beyond the Standard Model involve theories that the interactions between cosmic rays and ice actually produce micro black holes. They produce micro black holes that open into small dimensions. This is unbelievably bizarre, isn't it? ANITA's first mission did not detect the black holes, but it did detect the Ashkarian effect. Last week, a group of researchers posted a new theory about the rays measured by ANITA. The group, led by Pennsylvania State University physicist Derek Fox, suggests ANITA may have found evidence of a particle that lies completely outside of the Standard Model of physics. The Standard Model has been successful as long as we've been using it, but it has not been able to explain everything. For example, things like gravity and the accelerating expansion of the universe are not adequately explained by the model. That's where the physics beyond the Standard Model, BSM. Some of those theories include string theory and extra dimensions. Fox theory relies on a type of BSM called supersymmetry. Quote, we argue that if the ANITA events are correctly interpreted, then they require some beyond the Standard Model particle, end quote. Fox told Motherboard, quote, the likely properties of the particles seem consistent with at least some ways with the predicted properties of the STAU, S-T-A-U, in some supersymmetric models, end quote. In order to delve further into the unknown when it comes to these upward-pointing cosmic rays, they must also be observed at other locations. Fox and his colleagues took the first steps when analyzing data from the Ice Cube Neutrino Observatory in the Arctic. Despite the difference in detecting systems, 3 events were identified in the data that were analogous to the cosmic rays observed by Anita in Antarctica. Fox's theory is only one interpretation of the Anita data. The fourth Anita mission was launched in 2016, and researchers are hopeful that this data, once completely analyzed, will reveal additional examples of these unusual cosmic rays. This is something new. It's amazing. Are they from Earth towards space, or are they coming inbound, passing through the Earth and going out again? I'm sure they'll be coming out with more on this, more conclusions once they examine what is exactly taking place. This is by Sean Adel Tabatabai on your Newswire.